It means almost everything. I think PropTech is the future. For me, I consider myself as a digital native, being 20 years at the race of e-commerce, and I think everything becomes digital. And in PropTech, you will see actually that the whole life cycle of real estate or buildings, from a decision making to due diligence, and also for maintenance and decisions making will be driven by PropTech. So I think it's a very important sector, and it's just following the general trend of digitalization. Of course, there are many parallel trends. It depends now from what point of view you see it. Because as I said, it's from decision making to due diligence. But probably for the sector you are also in, it's the PropTech for smart offices and smart buildings. I think there, for me, the biggest trend is technology for occupancy measuring, and also to plan and have an agile workspace to plan teams better. So that's probably for me the biggest trend, that you use your mobile device and data to organize your work environment. There's a lot of talk about activity-based working, smart buildings, and you have to manage it somehow, because you figure out that people work in different environments. Some people want to be in a silent workplace. Some other people want to work in a certain area together with big teams to project manage things. And for me, technology is the enabler, because you need something that you can actually book your place, that you find your place, that you don't have to play this music chair. Because if you talk about flex desk, for example, the biggest concern of people is that they come to the office in the morning and they cannot find their place. And I think technology is an enabler in the future, that you can actually find your workplace, book your workplace, and put your teams together according to your daily needs.